just going to be teaching you how to power on the PUWMA system. So first, you just want to open the case. And you want to connect the transducer right here. And then once you must connect the transducer before powering on the system. And once the transducer is connected, you come over here and flick on internal battery. Flick it on, and then your voltage comes up here. You wait for this to settle and then press on the power button of the Hummingbird, which is just down here. You turn this on here now. The system is starting to boot up now. And it's just booting up, you're waiting for this here now. This will pop up, so it'll say press menu for startup options. You come up here, there you go, and click exit. And here you are, you're just done. But you always need to make sure that the transducer is connected before powering on the system, or else it won't register it. And once you're on the home screen and the GPS has a proper signal, the system is ready to use and ready to go.